Listen to the sound. Listen to the gotcha sound. Oh, wait. Is this the good one? Yeah, this is the good one. My bad. Well, let's do this. Let's look at this crystal. Okay, what am I doing? Let's preface. I got a comment on my QIX video repair video, the one that I got all the my most recent one with all the corrosion removal. I kept saying corrosion replacement in the video, you know, like I'm replacing the corrosion with new fresh corrosion. Ridiculous. But a commenter commented that the gotcha sound has like a like it re-triggers, is the way he put it, and he's absolutely right. And I got to looking at it. I got the board set back out and I noticed it, and it's obvious. What I noticed also is the pitch is different. This one right here is a good board. This is the way it's supposed to be. So the gotcha sound sounds normal. It doesn't kick back up. And what I will do is I'll put the one in question back on, and you'll see what he was talking about when he said, hey, it sounds like that thing re-triggers. Okay, check this out. .4 megahertz. 7.4 megahertz. Okay, and you'll see, if you can see and read this, 7.3128, 7.37, sorry. Now I'm going to put the other board that's in question back on, and you'll be able to see what's going on. Okay, this is the board in question. Listen to the tone. It's a little bit of a higher tone. And then when the gotcha sound happens, you'll hear it like kick up at the end. Right here. It'll go. That's what the commenter commented. Now, if we probe this like we did last time, we are at 8 megahertz. This is an 8 megahertz crystal. And this looks like it was from factory. It looks like factory solder. See that? That's what he was talking about. This board has that 7.37 crystal. In every other board that I looked at, this is the board set that I repaired, 7.37, and then the two Zookeeper ones, 7.37 megahertz crystal. And on the schematic, .3728 megahertz crystal. So it's got the wrong crystal in it, but it was like that from the factory. I'll take that off and I'll show you the solder. It looks factory. That's why this thing, it's running too fast. And that's why the tone is off, and that's why it's like wrapping around with that sound. It's literally doing that. It's wrapping around the sound. This one. So yeah, how strange is that? But that's a good catch, because I did not catch that. Now it's, listening to it now, it is completely obvious. But I did not notice that at all. So I'm going to have to replace that crystal, but that's an oddball crystal. I don't have that. So, I mean, I could look on some of the boards I have around here and see if I got something like that, but I don't think I do. So, I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to make this little quick addendum. And you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the crystal out of that board. Even though this one works, I just want to prove that theory. I want to take that crystal and put in this board, because I have 8 megahertz crystals all day long, you know, so I'm not worried about that crystal. But I just want to prove that out, put the other crystal in this board, and then check it out. Yeah, and just really quick, I got the gun heating up. This is that 8 megahertz crystal. 8. And I'll show you, this looks like factory solder. It's right here. Those 2 spots right there, that is factory solder. So this board would have never worked right. It would have always sounded off. It would have always sounded like that. Now, it's not that far off. I didn't notice it. But yeah, I'm glad that the commenter commented on that, and we were able to check it out. So let me go ahead and swap those crystals. I'll swap the crystal in that board into this one. We'll put it on there, and I'll bet you it acts and sounds the way that it should. And I will get on Mouser Electronics and see if I can't source that crystal. Okay, I got the crystal replaced. Here's the 8 megahertz crystal that came out of it. And I gotta tap through. Here we go. And we will check the sound now. And we'll see the gotcha sound and see if it wraps around or if it acts the way it's supposed to. There you go. How weird is that? It's the crystal from the factory. So this board would have always had that problem. Anyway, I wanted to make this little addendum and just upload it as an addition to this. But I wanted to address that comment, and you are absolutely 100% correct, Mr. Commenter. The sound was a little off, and I can't believe I didn't notice it, to be honest. But I didn't. I 100% just did not notice it. So there you go. See you on the next one.